Neighbor, what's that? What's that sound? Habibullah looks inside the pot. There's something inside. He puts his hand inside the pot and pulls out an object. Neighbor, why? What's this? A small pot? What's it doing inside? My pot, Nasruddin. Is this yours? Nasruddin. Oh, that. No, it's not mine. It's yours. Neighbor, mine? How can that be? I only gave you a large pot. Where did this one come from? Nasruddin. Oh, you see, while your pot was in my care, it gave birth to a little one. But as you are the owner of the mother pot, it is only right that you should keep its baby. And anyway, it would not be right to separate such a young child from its mother. Don't you agree? Neighbor, oh yes, you are right. Of course, the baby pot should be with its mother. Nasruddin, thank you, my friend, for the loan of the pot. Take care of the little one. Nasruddin leaves Habibullah standing there, scratching his head, puzzled. His wife comes out. Neighbor's wife. She sees the pot on the ground. Ah, my cooking pot. It has come back. Well, Nasruddin has changed. I didn't expect to see it back so soon. Turns to look at her husband. What's the matter, husband? You look puzzled. Neighbor, look inside the pot. Neighbor's wife looks inside and pulls out the little pot. Now, where did this one come from? It's not one of mine. Neighbor, Nasruddin brought it. He said that our pot had a baby while it was in his house, and he brought it to give it to us. I think the man is crazy. Neighbor's wife. Whoever heard of a pot having a baby? Surely Nasruddin is mad. What did you say to him? Neighbor, I didn't say anything. So what if he is mad? He have got a nice new pot for nothing. I am not complaining. Neighbor's wife to herself. A pot having a baby? I have never heard of anything like that. She goes into the house carrying the 2 pots. Scene 4. A few days later, inside Habibullah's house. Neighbor, that crazy Nasruddin's borrowed out our pot again. I can't wait till he brings it back. Wife, where we are going to get another little pot. I'm sure of it. He looks very pleased. Neighbor's wife, Nasruddin is really stupid. At this rate, my kitchen will soon have a set of new little pots. Won't that be lovely? Scene 5. Outside Habibullah's house. Narrator. 2 weeks have passed since Nasruddin borrowed the cooking pot from his neighbor, Habibullah. He has not returned it yet. There is no sign of the pot. Neighbor. Where on earth is Nasruddin? It's 2 weeks since he borrowed the pot. Neighbor's wife. You had better go and ask him for it. I need it to cook food for our party tomorrow. She goes inside the house. Neighbor. I will go and ask him for it this evening. Turns to follow his wife. Then he sees Nasruddin walking past. Nasruddin, hey, stop, come back here. Nasruddin turns back, pretending to be surprised. Neighbor. Habibullah, how are you? I hope you are well, and your dear wife too. I hope she is well, and your lovely little children. How are they? I hope they are well. Neighbor. Nasruddin, what have you done to my cooking pot? You borrowed it 2 weeks ago. When are you going to return it? Nasruddin puts on a sad expression and pretends to wipe away tears. Oh, my dear friend, how shall I tell you the sad news? Neighbor. Sad news? What sad news? Nasruddin. It's your cooking pot. I'm afraid your pot is dead and is now in her grave. Neighbor shouting. What are you saying? A pot has no life, so how can it die? Stop this nonsense. Return the pot to me at once. Nasruddin. Just a moment, my friend. A short time ago, your cooking pot gave birth to a child, and that child is still with you. You have no trouble believing that a pot can have a child. If a pot can have a child, then it can also die. Goodbye. Neighbor is speechless with anger as he realizes he has been tricked. Narrator. Habibullah never saw his cooking pot again. Okay class, so I hope you understood. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.